7 terrorists have been killed under the operation of Raddul Fitna 3 in the area of Haran. 7 terrorists. And their hideouts have also been destroyed. 2 vehicles, 1 motorcycle has been recovered. There were ammunition, there were weapons which are recovered, and those people were actually unidentified. They were terrorists, belong from Fitna group Khawarij. So you know that Afghanistan is trying their level best to disturb the peace of Pakistan. They are sending their terrorists, the people who are armed and unidentified. They are coming here and they are purposely living in the hideouts actually, to execute their hatred and execute their other reasons to disturb the peace of Pakistan. And finally, Operation Raddul Fitna 3 is going on, and under that operation, every single terrorist will gonna be killed, and this will be over, of course, because we have always faced the successful operations of Pakistan. Whenever someone tries to disturb the peace of Pakistan, when someone ever tries to come here and to do anything against our policies, we'll have to answer. And on the other side, I want to add something that a human rights activist, Nida Khirmani, she has just mentioned her point of view on the killing of women and her daughters. And she said that, of course, we actually, always the women suffer and, such things like that. She just tweeted that. So being a woman, I want to say that, don't you think we are secure and safe enough living in Pakistan? Because if you are actually targeting your armed forces, your security forces, for something which you don't even know. So a news which was mentioned where a woman and her 2 daughters were killed is a news in which actually unidentified armed men came and they attacked on a car in which that woman and her daughters were sitting, and those were killed actually. So this is the actual news in which that human rights activist didn't even check, didn't even read that properly, and shared her bias and hatred opinion towards the social media just to spread the hatred everywhere. And this is why I always say that please verify every single news which is coming on social media. You have to go through all the news. She just mentioned the headline in which that was written that a woman and her daughters have been killed, and that's it. And she has just blamed the armed forces and the security forces and the police forces, and it always happens that just for their biases, for their political reasons, and for their slogans like my body, my will, and on the other side, such things like that, they are just spreading hatred. They are just fueling the hate in the minds of our young people, our students, and other people which are using the social media actually. So this is really unbelievable. I just want to say that being an educated woman, you all should study, you all should verify what is going on. At least get some time. If you get some time to type and just to mention a news on the social media, at least get some time to read the news properly, that what it is about, what it is actually about, what it shows, and what is written in that news. Then you have to come out and say that what is going on and the forces are doing. Forces are there to protect you. If forces weren't there, you guys would have been handed over to India or Afghanistan, working for them in their countries. If you are living here in Pakistan and you are a human rights activist, please focus on your mind and open your eyes that you are living in a country, you are free enough to say anything. You are not fearful to anyone that someone will come and kill you. Just because you open your mouth, just look at the countries like Afghanistan. Women are not even supposed to share their basic rights. They are not even supposed to study. They're not even supposed to come out and work. They cannot be the breadwinners for their family. Just look into India. If someone comes and say anything about their government, against their government, they are scared enough. If anyone comes and say that some of the forces are doing this or that, they have to think twice, because there are reasons. We have seen people. There are protests like, of course, the Janata Party, which were coming out, and they were trying to get their opinion and their requirements fulfilled. So there are things going on in that way. Just look around what is going on in other countries and what you are getting in Pakistan. You are safe enough, you are free enough to come onto social media with your own identity. You can say anything. This is how you are free enough living in Pakistan, and even unverified thing, and nobody even questioned you about this. So you have to be very careful whenever you come onto social media. You have to answer, you have to read the whole news, and then you have to talk with the facts, with the proofs. Otherwise, there is no reason to come and just to waste time and just to fuel hatred towards your youth and your viewers as well. So of course nobody bothers that enough, but I was coming here and I was going to tell the news about what is going on there and how the operation Raddul Fitna 3 is working. So I wanted to add that thing as well. So it is my request to every person living in Pakistan, verify the news, understand it, the facts. You have to go through those and then make an opinion about anything. So take care. We will be back with you with another vlog. Till then, bye bye.